Hello all, welcome to our channel. So, LTspice is a simulation tool which can be used to create schematics, create netlist, and then import that to a PCB tool which you have, and also you can generate your bill of material. You can also simulate, right? That's the main intention. So, apart from simulation, we can do all this. Now, one of the important point, how to extract the netlist from a given circuit. So for this, let us take this circuit and then go to tools. You can see here there is an option called export netlist. So when you click here, it asks us to save it to a specific location. Now you can see here, if we see this, already there is a netlist that is generated, default netlist, which is generated once you build the circuit and simulate. Now when you save as, click on save as type, you can see these many netlist options can be generated from the LTspice tool. So you can see some of the common ones. Eligro you can generate, and another one common one, Express PCB, which is a free tool. Designer is one, and then Mentor. Yes, Mentor as well. You can design pads, and you can also generate a Tango netlist. Okay, and these are all netlists. So let us assume we want Express PCB, and now let us save this. So it asks to replace. Let us replace that, and you can see this is the netlist that is generated. Some of the tools might not accept micro, so for this you might have to change your settings. So now we have seen how to generate the netlist for different PCB tools. We will also see some of the settings. When you go to tools and control panel, you can see there is a option called netlist options. So when you see here, there is a style or convention window. If you select this converts micro to U. So if you don't want micro in your netlist, you can do this. Okay, so this is the option. So this is how you have a netlist, and you can take the netlist and import into your PCB tool as required. Simple, right? So such a useful tool where it combines a full features of simulation along with netlist generation and BOM generation. For BOM generation, we already have a video in our channel. Please have a look at it in our playlist. Thank you.